Namaste dosto, myself Rohit Shah. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, mobile numerology, as well as switch words and visiting cards and logo design consultant. Today I'm going to show you some quick tips while chanting a mala. We generally do this okay, this is a rather big mala, but for the so we generally chant like this. Sorry, we generally chant like this with this thumb and first finger, but actually it should be rested on the last two finger and counted with this middle finger. This is how one should be chanting the mala as suggested by my guru. So this is how we should chant mantras or beach mantras or whatever you do. Now some people use electronic jap counter. I have this because my jap numbers are very high. So in this case, you put the middle finger from here, and then you can do the chant and counting like this. So this is how you can do the chanting. This is very good if you are chanting more malas every day because it keeps track of each count. Um, you can also use the mala, but then you have to count how many malas you have done, and you will lose the concentration of the chanting the mantra. I hope this benefits you all. Thank you very much, dosto. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.